warning for southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Delsman, or 8 miles west of Wales, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Whitewater, Hartford, Pewaukee, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Delavan, Mukwonago, Delafield, Jackson, Elm Grove, Slinger, East Troy, Wales, and Okauchee Lake. People attending the Waukesha County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. This storm is likely producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is the NOAA